Hi, I'm Louis Ortiz on behalf of Expert Village, and today I'm going to show you a 3-step breading procedure. This is a pretty traditional combination of items that you use to deep fry proteins, vegetables, all different kinds of things. So I want to show you the basic principle behind this and just some basic techniques so that you'll have some pretty fried foods. First and foremost, I've got a bowl here, and this is just all-purpose flour. I've added no seasonings or anything like that. I've found that it's a lot better, especially if you're frying proteins, to just go ahead and season the protein directly and then put flour on it, and I'll show you that here in just a bit. In the middle here, I've just got some low-fat milk. You can use whole milk. I've seen half and half used, cream, all different kinds of things. But one very important feature or item that needs to go in there is an egg. So we're going to throw an egg in there. And this is just a basic egg wash. I don't like to use water. I like the viscosity of dairy products like milk and cream anyway. So we're just going to go ahead and just beat this egg in here. And what I'm trying to achieve here between the milk and the egg is just to hit all one color so that I know that the yellow and the white of the egg has been completely beat and mixed in there, incorporated the way that it needs to be. And this actually is the order in which we're going to bread the items here in a bit. And I'm using just a thin wire whisk. There's thicker ones out there that have thicker strands, but those are usually made for bigger batches of sauces and thicker soups and things of that nature. So as you'll notice, we've got a nice opaque color. There's no bright yellow specks or anything like that, so we know we've gotten a good mix on our egg. We whipped a little bit of air into it, and that's fine too. So in the third bowl, I've got just a store-bought seasoned breadcrumb, garlic and herb mixture. It's much easier just to be able to buy it and pour it in the bowl. You can make it yourself if you so choose. It's a little bit longer process, as you can imagine. And then in the fourth bowl over here, I've got just a store-bought fish fry, actually, and it's a cornmeal-based seasoned fish fry. And I'm going to show you the differences between these and the different effects that you get on the actual proteins that you dip in here. But just as a precursor, we're going to put our protein item, which has been seasoned, of course, with salt, pepper, garlic salt, whichever you like. That's what I have here. We're going to season that and then drop them into the flour first with just a light coating. And then from the flour, we're going to do the milk and the egg wash. And then at that point, from the milk and the egg wash, we can go ahead and go back into the flour if we so choose for the final part, or we can go into the breadcrumbs, or we can go into the cornmeal mix. So that's a basic rundown, basic setup so that you have all your items in place so you can have an efficient frying procedure going.